The DNA Motoring HLLB CSIL99 BKCL1 Black Housing Pair. LED DRL Headlight Bumper Lamps Replacement for 9 offers a compelling upgrade for car enthusiasts seeking enhanced visibility and modern aesthetics. The sleek black housing paired with clear lenses not only elevates the vehicle's style, but also ensures maximum light transmission, providing a strikingly bright output essential for night driving. Constructed from durable polycarbonate, these lamps promise longevity and resistance to the elements, making them a reliable choice for various weather conditions. Weighing in at 11.28 pounds, the product dimensions of 23 x 20 x 9 inches fit seamlessly into most vehicles, ensuring hassle-free installation without the need for any additional assembly. The high beam functionality provides an added layer of performance, offering drivers increased visibility in challenging conditions, which is particularly beneficial when navigating dark roads or heavy rain.